Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish Jhal. First, ensure you have about 500 grams of your preferred fish, like rohu or katla, cleaned and cut into pieces. Next, finely chop 1 large onion, 2 medium tomatoes, and slice 3 to 4 green chilies for a balanced heat. Finally, measure out your spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. This preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Once your ingredients are prepped, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and lightly fry the fish pieces until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This step adds flavor and helps the fish hold its shape. Remove the fish and set aside. In the same oil, add the chopped onions and sauté them until they become soft and translucent. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute until its raw aroma disappears. Now build the rich flavor of your Jhal. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan along with your turmeric, chili, and cumin powders. Cook this mixture thoroughly, stirring until the oil separates from the masala, indicating it's well cooked. Gently place the fried fish pieces back into the gravy. Pour in about 1 cup of water, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. To finish your delicious fish Jhal, sprinkle a generous amount of fresh, chopped coriander leaves over the top. This adds a wonderful aroma and a touch of freshness. Serve your hot fish Jhal immediately with steamed rice or a warm flatbread for a truly satisfying meal. It's a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.